Alright, we're at my party, and this is Cruz. Hi, Cruz.
Hi.
Okay, Cruz, we're playing Truth or Dare. She just picked Dare. So now we're going to dare her to drink 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Lovely.
Yeah, and I'm here.
This is Karina, B. Meister. We got a Stephanie, and like me. You guys probably know my voice.
Yeah, I'm filming too.
Okay. Oh, Stephanie is filming too. Hi. So here's Cruz's ketchup, like just ready to be eaten.
Wait, you have to put it in the front of the camera, like.
Okay.
Cha-ching.
See her ketchup?
Ketchup.
Alright, so we're gonna get the big spoon. Here's the nice, lovely spoon for Cruz. Cruz, you get to touch
I want to
it.
record.
Okay. Alright.
Cruz, drink it. Drink it.
Okay, look at here.
Look at that beautiful ketchup action.
Okay. There's
Wait, let me
Nobody.
Check it down.
Ready?
Okay.
1,
2, 3.
Wait, get her something to drink. Get her the Cruz cup.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Count 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just go. It's okay. Just go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Ah!
I don't want throw up, okay?
She's not gonna vomit.
You don't know that.
I was nasty.
Reporting live from Aylin's party. Peace.